What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have 5 reasons why the Galaxy Z Fold 6 just kicks the crap out of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So without further ado, let's start with number 1, the S Pen. Now we all know the S Pen brings a added functionality that is unmatched to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it's something that the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold completely lacks. From taking notes, annotating documents, signing PDFs, and if you're a creative, from sketching, painting, doing all that you need to do, you can edit, you can do so much stuff with the magic of the S Pen, and it's something that the Google Pixel 9 completely lacks and we completely need. We need a good note-taking app. Come on, Google. Get on the ball, playboy. Number 2, the Good Lock app. The Good Lock app opens a level of customization on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that is unmatched. I mean unmatched. You can customize your UI, you can customize your panels, your toggles, you can customize your lock screen, your wallpaper, you can make custom wallpaper, you can theme the crap out of your Galaxy Z Fold 6. I mean, you can do absolutely everything you want to do to your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Not maybe anything, but you can completely customize the Galaxy Z Fold 6 just the way you want it to meet your needs. And that is something that I've been begging Google, Google, we need a Good Lock app just like Samsung has. Samsung does that app. It produces that app for its users. So we need the Google devs out there to produce that app for us, but in a Pixel format. It could be called Pixel Unlock. You know what I'm saying? It's something that it's out there for those who seek and want the need to customize their Pixel device just a teeny little bit more than what the Pixel currently offers. Number 3, it's like having 2 phones in one. The outside cover display, you can completely set it up just the way you want it, just to meet your needs on the go or whatever you want. The apps that you have outside won't be the apps that you have inside, because the inside you can customize the inner display anywhere you want it. You can have the apps you want on display, you can have the widgets you want on display, you can have whatever you want displaying on the inner display. It's like having 2 phones in one together. 2 phones in one. 2 phones. Show up. Where my ceiling missing? Oh, that's 2 chains. My bad. 2 phones. Have you heard of 40 phones?
My grind back then was Dairy Queen, but now I'm the king of the content scene. Bet on myself, defied this system. Didn't ask permission, my destiny was written.
I know 40 phones. He's my boy. Got money in the bank account. Oh yeah. I digress. Anyways, that is something the Google Pixel 9 Pro cannot do. The Google Pixel 9 Pro completely mirrors what you have on the cover display on the inner display. It's like having 1 small phone and a big ass phone in one. Not 2 phones in one. Number 4. DeX. Yes, I know Android 15 is going to bring a desktop mode, but DeX has been around since the beginning of time. DeX killed the dinosaurs. DeX was that meteor that boom hit Earth and killed the dinosaurs and brought life to the desktop mode. DeX has been around so long that it almost feels, you can probably say that you can use your Galaxy Z Fold 6 as your only computer. If you need a mobile device, you have your mobile device. If you need a desktop, plug in an external monitor, plug in a keyboard and a mouse, and voila, you have a full-on, full-fledged desktop. You can do whatever you want. You can edit documents, have windows and all this good stuff. And I don't think that the desktop mode that Android 15 is gonna bring, it's gonna be up to par with DeX. For right now, DeX is leading the market in desktop mode when it comes to mobile devices, and it's absolutely fantastic. Number five. Number five. This is a little pity, but it charges faster. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 charges faster than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Yes, we know the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the slowest charging device in the goddamn world. Wireless charging, it charges at 7.5 watts compared to 15 watts on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That's twice as fast. Unbearable. 7.5? What are you going to charge? It's like drip, drip, little drip of chargings here. Drip, 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 little drip. But the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is... You got a hurricane charging. And when you plug it in wired, I think it's 25 watts wired compared to 21 watts. Yeah, I know there's not a big difference there, but wireless charging, that's where it's the difference. And the ability to reverse wireless charge. Now, the 9 Pro Fold, you have the Pixel ecosystem where you have your watch and you have your buds. Now, you cannot wirelessly charge your watch anymore because it has a 4 pins, but you can wirelessly charge your buds. And that's one thing you're probably going to have, your buds and your phone. And if your buds run out of juice, the ability to wirelessly charge your buds with your device is something that you would love to have, right? Wrong, because the Pixel 9 Pro Fold doesn't have that, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does. It's going to give you the ability to reverse wirelessly charge any of your devices with your Galaxy Z Fold 6. And there you have it, guys. Those are my 5 reasons why the Galaxy Z Fold 6 completely puts a beat down on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let me know down in the comment section below if you completely agree with me, if you disagree, or if your reasons are better than my reasons. And I want to hear your reasons down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials at GadgetBeard. And don't forget the most important thing, like the video and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!